Hello and welcome to our video on how to make easy cake pops, a fun and tasty dessert that is perfect for kids and adults alike. Cake pops are bite-sized balls of cake that are coated in chocolate and decorated with sprinkles or other toppings. In this video, we will show you how to make a super easy cake pops recipe that you can make at home with just a few simple ingredients. Step 1. Gather your ingredients for this recipe. You will need a box of cake mix, 1/2 cup of frosting, chocolate chips or candy melts, and your choice of sprinkles or toppings. You will also need lollipop sticks or skewers and a styrofoam block to hold the cake pops while they set. Step 2. Bake and crumble the cake. Prepare the cake mix according to the instructions on the box and bake it in a 9 by 13-inch pan. Once the cake is done, let it cool completely. Then crumble the cake into small pieces using a fork or your hands. Step 3. Mix in the frosting. Add 1/2 cup of frosting to the crumbled cake and mix it together until it is well combined. The frosting will help to bind the cake together and give it a moist and chewy texture. Step 4. Shape the cake mixture into balls using your hands. Roll the cake and frosting mixture into small balls, about the size of a golf ball. Place the balls onto a parchment-lined baking sheet and chill them in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes to firm up. Step 5. Dip the cake pops in chocolate. Melt the chocolate chips or candy melts in a microwave-safe bowl according to the instructions on the package. Insert a lollipop stick or skewer into each cake pop ball. Dip the cake pops into the melted chocolate, swirling them around to coat them evenly. Tap off any excess chocolate and decorate with sprinkles or other toppings while the chocolate is still wet. Step 6. Set and serve. Stick the cake pops into a styrofoam block to set the chocolate. Once the chocolate is set, remove the cake pops from the styrofoam block and serve them on a platter or in a bowl. Conclusion. And there you have it, a super easy cake pops recipe that is perfect for kids and adults alike. Follow these simple steps and enjoy making and savoring these delicious treats at home. Thank you for watching, and we hope you enjoy making and savoring this fun and tasty dessert.